Hi, I'm Rob Tachek, a contributor to the series of Lean apps that you're looking at now. This short video is going to give you some experience looking for waste. It's always easier to see waste in someone else's process. In this video, we'll first run a current state for a Lean simulation machine that we run in our training program. We'll ask you to look for the 12 wastes and see how many you can identify. Then we'll show you a future state condition to show you the power of simply eliminating waste, the powerful tools of lean manufacturing in action on a simulation to identify and then eliminate the waste and improve flow. So good luck. Take a look at the next short video clip of a lean simulation and see if you can identify the 12 forms of waste. The 12 forms of waste are identified on this slide. Use the acronym Use Wisdom 2 as a memory tool so that you can remember all 12 wastes. The Lean simulation you're about to see simulates the production processes of stamping, heat treating, and painting with wooden machines, and an assembly operation using nuts and bolts assembled to a simple plastic or metal plate. The simulated work week is 5 minutes long, with each day equal to 1 minute. Each week, the learning group must complete the production schedule and the weekly shipping requirements to keep their customers in business. Learning groups run the simulation several consecutive weeks, eliminating the 12 wastes and improving the flow between each week. This interactive learning is memorable and teaches the lessons of waste identification and elimination, lean tools, as well as general business principles. Lean simulations can be a powerful learning tool for your lean journey. As you watch the video, look for the types of waste. Do you see motion? Do you see transportation? Do you see inventory? What other types of waste do you see? Do you see waiting and delays? Notice what people are waiting for. Is there unevenness or overburden? It's difficult to see the waste of knowledge, but you can see confusion in the work site. Okay, you probably identified many of the 12 wastes, perhaps not all of them, in the initial or current state for the lean simulation, and you probably have some ideas on how to eliminate some of those wastes. Well, jot those down and then prepare to look at an improved future state. Perhaps you came up with many of the ideas that you'll see in the video. Notice too that all the waste is not eliminated, it's just different. Take a look at the improved state and see if you can spot the waste. See too if you can spot the activities that we did to eliminate or reduce the waste. As you watch the video, the first thing you see is that all the equipment is moved closer together. This certainly eliminates and reduces the waste of motion and transportation of materials. You see too that all the workers are busy at the beginning of the work week. That was planned by developing their inventory so that when they came to work on Monday morning, they would have work ready to go and be worked on. What other waste do you see? As we mentioned, there's still waste in the process. It just looks different. Perhaps you see the opportunity for quality defects or machine malfunctions. Or perhaps the people are working so quickly and so closely together that there may be some other wastes that are identified. Certainly looks like they're having fun. For the most part, the work site seems synchronized so that the workers are working together to complete the assemblies. There's still waiting and delays and motion. Transportation is greatly reduced. Without knowing much about the simulation, what other ideas could you propose to further reduce waste in this production system? This group is working to a pull system, so they're trying to manufacture in the time allowed the exact quantity that the customer is requiring. Seems they're getting some outside help from a leader. Well, I think you get the idea on how lean can eliminate certain waste. But of course, all the wastes have not been eliminated, and there still is fertile ground for improvement in this operation. Learning with lean simulations can be fun and memorable for lean teams learning about waste elimination. We hope you learned a little bit about waste elimination on a simulation project. Again, someone else's project. Now go back into your work site and see if you can find the waste. By the way, the results from the lean simulation are shown in the next slide. This summary table shows the results for 4 consecutive weeks running the lean simulation. The first week, the team was late on delivery and had a lot of waste. The second week got better, and finally, in the fourth week, they were on time and the workflow was very simple. Good luck on your lean journey. Enjoy the rest of the apps. Thanks for watching.